Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear the 8th derivation which is related to the working and processing of multiplier, and do subscribe the channel to see previous 7 derivations related to the determination of income, output and employment, the concept which was given by J.M. Keynes. So let us start the working and processing of multiplier. With the help of following table, we can explain the working of multiplier. Number 1, first column represents time period. Second column change in investment. Third column change in income. Next column change in consumption. And next column change in savings. First time period, then change in investment, change in income, change in consumption, change in saving in rupees crore. Suppose that this is a time period 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change in investment, that is 100. So due to change in investment of 100 crore rupees, there will be change in income by 100 crore rupees. So this change in income, and now let us take an assumption that how much marginal propensity to consumption we are taking. So we are taking the value of MPC half or 0.5. It means half of the income will be consumed by the consumer. So there will be 100 crore rupees income which will be divided into consumption or savings. So this entire income will be consumed as 50% consumption or 50% savings. Then one person's consumption is the income of another. 50 will be the income in the economy. Then this income further will be divided into consumption or savings. Again 25 will be the income level in the economy, from which 12.50 will be consumed and 12.50 will be the savings. So one person's consumption will be the income of another. 12.50 will be the income level at the third round, through which 6.25 income will be consumed and 6.25 crore income will be saved. Again 6.25 crore rupees will be the income level in the economy, through which 3.12 crore rupees will be consumed and 3.1 crore rupees will be saved in the economy. Again 3.12 crore rupees will be the income in the economy, upon which 1.57 crore rupees will be consumed and 5.57 crore rupees will be saved in the economy. Again 1.57 crore rupees will be the income in the economy and 0.78 crore rupees will be the consumption and 0.78 crore rupees will be the income in the economy. And again 0.78 crore rupees is the income level, through which 0.39 will be the consumption and 0.39 will be the saving. Again the income level in the economy will be 0.39, through which 0.20 will be consumed and 0.20 crore rupees will be the save in the economy. And lastly 0.20 crore rupees, 0.10 crore rupees will be the saving and 0.10 crore rupees will be the saving in the economy. So ultimately we can see that the value of delta I is equal to 100 crore rupees, delta Y is equal to 200 crore rupees, delta C is equal to 100 crore rupees, or delta S is equal to 100 crore rupees. So we have calculated the value of delta I, delta Y, delta C or delta S. And now let us put the value in the formula. K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. Change in income, that is 200. Change in investment is 100. So the size of multiplier will be 2. And now let us explain the table. On the basis of MPC is equal to 0.5. It means half of the income will be consumed. So the value of multiplier, that is entirely depends upon the value of MPC. In the first round, delta Y is equal to 100, delta C is equal to 50 or delta S is equal to 50. In the second round, delta Y is equal to 50, delta C is equal to 25 and delta S is equal to 25. So in this way, through all the procedures, and last round, delta Y is equal to 200, delta C is equal to 100 or delta S is equal to 100. And now let us prepare the multiplier processing. This is change in investment, delta Y, delta C, change in savings. So this change in investment leads to change in income leads to change in consumption, or we can also say from a part of income. So this is the processing of multiplier. And now let us draw the diagram. Because the processing gives two parameters. Number one, forward action of multiplier. Number two, backward action of multiplier. So I am drawing x-axis or y-axis. This is the level of income, and here aggregate demand. Aggregate supply at 45-degree angle, then initial investment AD1, and this is AD2. So initially this is OY, level of income, and due to increase in aggregate demand, income level increases from Y to Y1, as well as investment will increases from I to I1. This is delta Y, and this represents 100 crore, and this change in income is 200 crore, which represents, this is known as forward action of multiplier. Here investment increases upward from I to I1, delta I, or 100 crore rupees. And now due to fall in investment by 100 crore rupees, income will diminishes Y to Y2, delta Y change 200 crore rupees. This represents backward action of multiplier. So according to Samuelson, multiplier is two-edged sword, as it is having forward action of multiplier. Forward action means as well as there is change in investment, there will be many times more increase in income. Many times more. And number two, as well as there is decrease in investment, then there will be many times decrease in income of the consumer. So this represents change in income is more than change in investment. Change in income increases many times more due to increase in investment. As here we represents increase in income is 200 crore rupees and increase in investment is 100 crore rupees. And similarly, if there is fall in investment by 100 crore rupees, then the income will diminishes many times more by 200 crore rupees. So for this forward action of multiplier, K is equal to delta y upon delta I is equal to, if the value of multiplier is 2 is equal to delta y upon 100, then the delta y will be 200 crore rupees. This is forward action. And for backward action, K is equal to delta y upon delta I is equal to 2 is equal to delta y upon 50, or the value of delta y is equal to 100. So in this way, due to a minor decrease in investment causes a major decrease in income level in the economy, and due to a minor increase in investment in the economy, that causes a major rise in income level in the economy. So in this way we can clear the working of multiplier. Number 1 working of multiplier, number 2 processing of multiplier, number 3 this graphic presentation clears the forward and backward action of multiplier also. So that's all regarding the topic, and do subscribe the channel to see previous 7 derivations related to the topic determination of income, output and employment. Thank you.